This is for the cabin fresh air intake filter change on a 2015 BMW X5 35 diesel with 116,000 miles on it. What you'll do is start to remove the plastic clips that hold the intake cowl above the filter assembly. There's one on the left side as you're looking at the engine. Pop it and remove it. Free up the cowling. Release the clips in the center. Release the clip back here by the hinge. And set this piece to the side. Here's your intake. It has two filters in it. There's a clip right here in the front. Release it and work the assembly out. Flip it over, and there you'll find the two filters that you need to remove. This filter obviously has some debris and dust that had accumulated over time, so it was ready. New filter I found on Amazon. Just put your vehicle in. It'll direct you to the filter that you need to replace it with. Or I also shop at Rock Auto typically, but there's multiple places to get these filters. Place the two filters in where the old ones were. Make sure that the clips are securely fastened down, otherwise the filters will fall out as you're putting the assembly back in place. Align these back two clips. And finally clip the front clip in place. Reassemble the cowling. Clip in the rear. One in the center. And reinstall the push pin here.